you got a cell phone, if you got a cell phone or a cigarette lighter, I want you to take it out and hold it up in the air, okay? Hold on a second. Have you guys ever heard of a song called Hurricane? Has anyone ever heard of that song? Tell me, would you singers. How many people are coming to the show tomorrow night? Hold on, turn the fucking spotlight off. Let me see these people for a second. Turn the lights up a little bit. Turn the lights up a little bit, Ed. How many people are coming tomorrow night? How many people have no idea what the fuck I'm actually saying? It's a trick question. It's nice to see you, Poland. And thank you guys for selling the show out tomorrow. This is a special show here tonight. These are all the people that couldn't get in tomorrow are coming here tonight, so that's pretty amazing. We're very, very proud of that. And as you know, tonight and tomorrow, I am a Polish man. We are very proud to be in Łódź. Hold on, is it Łódź or Łódź? Łódź or Łódź? Łódź. Łódź. That's what I said. Okay. I hope you guys had fun. Did you like the Polish band that played with us tonight too? We always like to play with our Polish friends. Polish boys and Polish girls. Hey, how's everybody doing on the left? You okay? All right. And everybody on the right, you all right? You good? Okay, good. Now do me a favor. Do not make love to those blow up fishes. I believe you call them fish. I know they're sexy and adorable and cute, but you can hurt yourself that way. So be very careful. Okay, we're gonna play another song right now. It's a song called Hurricane, okay? But before we start, I want you guys to sing a little bit with me, okay? You know the part that says, "Do you really want me? Do you really want me dead? All that I have to torture for myself. Okay, that's your part. You better sing it loud. Take out your cell phones, your cigarette lighters. I want to see you raise them high. Times that you told me you wanted to leave me. No matter how many breaths that you took, I still couldn't breathe. No matter how many nights that you now went away to the sound of pouring rain. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? as loud as you can. Let's go.